Hi there, I'm Joanne, and I'm delighted to welcome you to Sheet Leveler. I have carefully crafted video tutorials that will help you become a pro at using Excel in no time. In this particular tutorial, I'll walk you through the process of inserting a checkbox into an Excel sheet. Let's get started. To insert a checkbox in Excel, ensure the Developer tab is visible on the ribbon. If it is not, right-click anywhere on the ribbon and select Customize the ribbon from the menu. A pop-up window will appear. Tick the Developer box and press OK. Now, under the Developer tab, click on Insert, followed by Checkbox to insert the checkbox. Excel provides two types of controls for you to utilize. The first set of controls is called Form Controls. These controls are designed to provide a simple way of adding elements such as checkboxes to your worksheets. When you need to take your customization to a more advanced level, you can use ActiveX controls. These controls provide greater flexibility than the basic form controls, making them a great choice for complex tasks. We will concentrate on the easy application of form controls, selecting the checkbox from the group of controls located at the top. To add a checkbox, click the checkbox option under the Form Controls tab. The cursor will transform into a plus sign, allowing you to place the checkbox wherever you'd like. Let's place this item in this spot and continue with our progress. The checkbox is framed, making it easy to move, change, or delete the original text. It is important to remember that the frame surrounding the checkbox indicates which area is active and can be clicked on. If you select any area within the frame, a checkmark will appear or disappear. Let's take a look at how the checkbox works when the area extends beyond the cell border. I will finish editing the checkbox by clicking anywhere on the sheet. When I click on the active area, which is larger than the checkbox and the cell borders, the checkbox is ticked. To deselect the checkbox, I need to click it again. The functionality is great. However, the size of the active area could be an issue. It is essential to adjust the size of the active area as necessary in order to ensure that everything functions correctly. You can edit the checkbox by right-clicking on it and selecting the editing options. To adjust the size of the checkbox, you can use the small circles located around it. Once complete, you can use the checkbox in the first row and replicate it into the remaining rows of the table. To add a checkbox to multiple rows, select the cell containing the checkbox and drag the bottom right-hand corner of the cell down the desired number of rows. To remove the box, simply right-click on the area, select Cut from the options, and it will be gone. To gain knowledge on how to incorporate additional elements, such as bullet points, into your spreadsheets, consider watching additional video tutorials provided by Sheet Leveler. The links to the additional video can be found in the description below. If you found this tutorial useful, please show your appreciation by giving the video a like. Are you new to Sheet Leveler? If you would like to improve your Excel skills, hit the subscribe button and learn how to use Excel like a boss. I appreciate you taking the time to view my video. I look forward to seeing you in the next one.